Hi everybody, this is Lara Wilder promoting KhamoyaGordon.com, and we are here to talk about your presence online. All right, are you ready?
You got it. She got it, guys. She got it. We did multiple takes with that one, but she got it down on point. Thank you, Wilder, for that introduction. Khamoya Gordon here, as Wilder said earlier, from KhamoyaGordon.com, and today, yes, we're going to talk about your presence online while you're trying to make money online for your digital marketing business. So real quick, before we jump into that topic, if you haven't subscribed just yet to my channel, please go ahead and subscribe. I put out daily informational daily videos with lots of information, lots of golden nuggets drop in your inbox daily if you subscribe to my channel. And also make sure to hit the little bell so that you're notified whenever I post a video. So let's just hop on in. So do you know or understand your presence that you should have online when you're trying to like make money online or do business online? Do you? Your presence should be you, not anybody else, not a made up person of yourself, not, overselling yourself. All you need to be is just you, yourself, and that is all that is required. If you try to be anyone else, it's going to hinder you from making any money online, because eventually your true self will show. So the best person to be is yourself. And also, while you're online, whether you're doing affiliate marketing, whatever you're doing online, also in the process, you got to ensure that you brand yourself. Like I get on this video, I introduce myself, even though I'm an affiliate marketer. But I still brand myself, because basically what you're selling, you sell yourself first before you sell your brand. Because when you're selling your brand, it's your face that comes up on the screen. It's you that's talking about your product. So try to be yourself. If it's hard, you can't start marketing until you're yourself. And try not to pretend to be somebody else. It doesn't work out. Your business will not succeed down that line. If you're crazy, be crazy. You see, I started my video. Wilder hopped on here because every time I start the video, I made some error and I'm like, you know what I mean? And then I started and then I made a mistake and I'm like, you know what? I'm going to keep it going. I'm going to keep it real to all my subscribers out there. Let them know that there are some days when you're going to have it good and you flip through a video, no mistake. And then there's some other days where you just keep on making some mistakes and just keep it going, because that's who you are. We all make mistakes. I'm not perfect. Today, I totally forgot that I had to do a video. Today, I went into the commissary for one thing. I came out with 3 million other things, and I still did not get what I went in there to get. So I had to keep on reminding myself. I was like, damn, we got to go back in. We got to go back in. But I say I have to do this video. So here I am doing the video before I hop back inside to get what I actually should get. And I hope I don't forget. So I'll probably watch over this video after I'm finished, just to ensure that I don't forget what I'm supposed to get. You know what I mean? So we have good days as marketers and we have bad days. We have days when our video is on point and we have days when our video is just got errors in it, and we don't need to always be see, there you go. We don't always need to be grammatically correct. We don't. We are not going to always be either. We're humans after all. So there's going to be error. There's going to be glitches in whatever we're doing. But just give our true self. Just be who we are. Nothing less, nothing more, no pretense. Just be you. Just be your genuine self. People will gravitate more to you, more to your energy. Not everyone will gravitate to you, but that's okay. Just like you're here, you're watching me and probably have a smirk on your face saying, this girl is crazy. And probably you're here, you watch it to this point and you're like, nah, this is not for me. It's okay. If it's not, you may go. If it is, please stay, because I'm going to be posting video every day. So you got to come on here to get these golden nuggets that I'm posting. And that's just how it is. People like when they're purchasing products online, especially online, because you're not going in store, you're not seeing, you're not communicating, with the rep in the store, you're actually online. So when you guys see these videos and you see my good days and my bad days, you'll be like, well, yesterday she had a better day, or today was a great day with her, or we all have those days. It's okay. It's human. It's not gonna be all shimmy shammy, every day. Today, this weekend is my drill weekend, and the service at the unit is very poor. Like, I probably would have to sit in my car to actually get the video done, but I didn't want to start it and then there's a problem or whatnot. So I actually ended up at the commissary by accident. I was looking for a gas station, and then, oh my goodness, my car ran out of gas, guys, and it was still going. Like, I promise you, it was still going, which is super duper cool. I think that's amazing, but that's beyond the point right now. I'm just adding that little tidbit in there because I was just surprised. That has never happened, but I was following my GPS to a gas station, and it ended up being farther than I thought it was, and it ended up taking me in the opposite direction, or somewhat off my track of going home. But yeah, so I had to wait until now to do the video because I didn't want it, to like freeze up or whatnot. So I'm doing both my services. I'm doing my service to my country, and I'm also doing my service to you, my subscribers, because at the end of the day, I guess I'm servicing two separate set of people, but in a sense one, because I'm serving the country and you're here. And if you're out of the country, thank you for subscribing. And but yeah, so I realized I didn't do my video, and I say I have to find somewhere and get my video done so I can send the information out there to my subscribers that are listening in and waiting for me to post my video. So again, thank you guys for hopping on, watching my video. And today's Friday. It's actually Friday the 13th, guys. And it's one of those days for me already. I've just been crashing in everything in the store, just like it's not even intentional, but that story is for another day. Please remember to subscribe to my channel. If you have any ideas of what you'd like to see me do more of, please leave it in the comments below. If you like what I'm doing so far, please also leave it in the comments below. And please remember to give me a heart, give me a like or something. Let me know that I'm doing something right here. And I also provide my Facebook link. You can go ahead and send me a private message on there also. I'm more than happy to respond. And also you can send me a friend request. We can also be friends on Facebook. And you can follow my crazy life there also. So until next time, guys, remember to subscribe, hit the bell so you know when I'm on. Alrighty, until tomorrow. Bye.